Kids story channels are very much popular on YouTube, especially bedtime stories and fairy tale stories. Kids videos are getting thousands to millions of views, earning between $100 to $10,000 per month. Today we will make step-by-step how to make kids story videos for free with single AI to start money online. You need no skills. You don't need to write any scripts, don't need to give your voiceover, or even you don't need to edit videos. Just watch this video till the end. I will show you step-by-step procedure to make kids story videos as much as you want. The best part is that you can start it for free. Stories you are watching on the screen was generated with this single AI tool. In this video, at first I will show how you can start it for free, and then I will show you by making 3 stories by using only keywords. Then I will show how to export those stories into AI videos. Everything will automated and we will not need any other tool without this one. But make sure you stay connected till the end and watch full video. I will put the link in description. Click on that link to start your own kids stories. When you will sign up with my link, you will get 150 credits. With 150 credits, you will able to make as much story as you want, but you will export 5 to 7 videos. When click to link you will come to this page. Click on sign up with Google button for easy sign up. You will be redirected to this dashboard. You can also make your AI character with this AI and make exclusive images from Image Studio, make videos with Video Studios, and make stories from Story Studios. To start your first kids story, click on Story Studio from left menu. Then click on New Story button. Now AI will ask, what story are we creating today? I am selecting Help Me Get a Story. Now AI will ask, who is your story for? I am writing kids. Then AI will ask, what's your goal by creating this story? I am writing teach kids, you will input as your requirement. Then AI will ask what genre the story should be. This is important part. To make kids story, you need to select children's story. If you select different, your story pattern will be different. I recommend you to try different genres for different stories. On next box input your story idea. You can input anything you want. I am taking the fox and the grapes as my story idea. After inputting your idea, click on Generate Story Outline button. AI will automatically generate a story script for you, as well as story characters. Review story character and story outline carefully. Your story video will depend on this stage. When you will satisfy, you can click on Create this story button. Now select story format. Vertical is suitable for TikTok, Reels or Shorts, and horizontal is for standard video format, good for YouTube. I have selected horizontal. Now select visual style of your story. You can select any style you want for your story from this 12 style. Every style will make different style for your video images. I have selected storybook style and clicked on Continue to Character Creator button. In next page, you will see your story characters will be shown. If you not satisfy, you can click Edit Character button. I am satisfied with my character, so clicked on Continue to Storyboard button. This will start generating images according to our story. In free version, it may take 5 to 10 minutes. I am a paid member. It took 2 minutes in my case. Our kids story is ready. Let's review the generated images accordingly. It was the story of the fox and the grapes. Look, the generation is really satisfactory. Let's check all images. This is our video timeline. Our story video will play in this timeline. When you will satisfy, click on Export and download the video. I will show you later how to do that. Before that, I want to make another AI story to show you the capacity of this AI. Doing the same process. Till now, if you found our video helpful, please like and comment below. Anyway, let's make a new story. Taking a wise owl as next story idea. Remember, you can input any idea you have to make AI stories. The better idea you input, the better story AI will generate for you. Here our story character and story script is ready again. Doing the same process as before. This time selecting 3D cartoon style. You can always pick any style you want. Story characters are ready again. Click on Continue to Storyboard button. Our story images of a wise old owl is ready. Let's check images. This generation is 3D style and also satisfactory as before. Check them, and also you can change any image if you want. After satisfying, you can click on Export button. AI will automatically add voiceover, add background music, add subtitles, and make a complete kids story video. On next story, I will show the process. Stay connected. Process is same as before, but this time I will input another story idea. Taking the golden egg as story idea. Story script is ready again. In this stage, I am taking fantasy as visual style for this story. Story characters are ready, so going to next page. Again, our story images are ready. See the outstanding result. Every time, this AI will satisfy you when you will make any story. With this AI, you will not only able to make kids stories, but also make any stories you want. I am truly impressed with this AI. So I have made few dedicated videos for this AI, what you will find on my channel. I believe you will also be delighted with this AI after using. I recommend you to use this AI at least once in your life. Now export this video by clicking Export button on top right side. For free version, export process may take 5 to 10 minutes. But on paid version it will take 2 or 3 minutes. If you have planned to upgrade, I will highly recommend you to upgrade to Pro annual plan for this AI. I can assure that this AI will not disappoint you. Now click on Download button, and if you want to add auto subtitle, click on Download with CC button. Download completed. Now see the Kids AI Story video. If this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any confusion,
In
you
a
can
village
always ask
nestled
me on
among rolling
comment
hills,
section. I will
lived a
answer
gentle
every
farmer
single
known for
comment
his
one by
kindness.
one. Thank you for watching.
Every morning, the diligent farmer would rise with the sun to tend to his fields and animals. Among his animals was Henrietta, a special hen known for her radiant feathers and mysterious gift. Henrietta would lay golden eggs, bringing joy to Mr. Johnson and wonder to the villagers. But one day, Henrietta stopped laying eggs, causing worry to spread among the villagers. Determined to help Henrietta, the farmer delved into books, seeking solutions to her sudden plight. Witnessing Mr. Johnson's efforts, the villagers came together, each offering their own special treats for Henrietta. While cleaning the coop one day, Mr. Johnson stumbled upon a hidden golden egg, realizing the secret behind Henrietta's gift. Understanding his mistake, the farmer simplified Henrietta's living conditions, creating a safe and comfortable environment for her. Amidst the warmth of the sun, Henrietta laid a golden egg, signifying her renewed trust and comfort in her surroundings. The villagers learned the lesson of empathy and care, witnessing Henrietta thrive in the simplicity and safety of her new home.